Sugar and Spices is Jasmine, and this channel is all about food delicious things. So right now in Germany, there's wild garlic season, and I do live in Germany. And wild garlic are green leaves that taste and smell like garlic, but is not so strong as a garlic clove. You can make pasta with it, you can marinate it, you can use it just in your salad. And we're making a pizza base with it instead of a tomato base. We're topping it off with colorful bell pepper and some cheese. Very simple, very quick, but very tasty and delicious. Perfect for any movie night. So if you like this recipe, give a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe, and see you in the next recipe.